Welcome back to the Premiere Pro Beginner's Guide. This is the 7th class in the series. In the previous lesson, we learned how to add clips efficiently using in and out points. Now it's time for one of the most exciting parts of editing, learning the tools that will help you shape your story. Hi, I'm Marco Maldera. I'm a director, VFX artist, editor, designer, and AI creative. If you're curious about my work, you can visit my website at marcomaldera.com. Now, let's get started. In this lesson, we'll explore the essential tools you'll use in almost every project: the selection tool, razor tool, ripple edit tool, slip tool, and more. We'll also look at time-saving techniques that help keep your workflow clean and efficient. I already have a sequence open with a clip in the timeline. Let's start by looking at some simple ways to trim and adjust it. The selection tool. The first and most commonly used tool is the selection tool. You can activate it by clicking the arrow icon or by pressing V on your keyboard. When you hover near the edge of a clip, you'll see the cursor change into a red arrow. Drag from either side to trim the clip, shortening or lengthening it from the start or the end. This is great for making quick adjustments, cleaning up the beginnings or endings of clips, or tightening a sequence. If you trim too much, just undo it and try again. Simple, but very useful. The razor tool. Next up is the razor tool with the shortcut C. This tool does exactly what it sounds like. It cuts your clip into smaller sections. Let's say you have a long clip and you only want to keep certain parts. Select the razor tool, click where you want to make a cut, then switch back to the selection tool and delete the sections you don't need. You'll be left with only the moments you want to keep. To close the gaps between clips, just select the empty space and hit delete, or use a faster method by going to sequence greater than close gap. Premiere will automatically stitch everything together without leaving empty spaces. The snap option. While you're editing, you'll notice that clips often snap into place when you move them, lining up perfectly with other clips. This is thanks to the snap tool, also known as snap in timeline. You can toggle it on or off by clicking the small magnet icon. With snapping enabled, your clips automatically align without leaving small gaps or overlaps. If you need very precise control, like when creating tiny overlaps or transitions, you can temporarily turn snapping off. Most of the time though, you'll want it on. The ripple edit tool, shortcut B. This one saves a lot of time. With the ripple edit tool, you can trim a clip while automatically closing the gap it leaves behind. For example, if you cut a few seconds from the start of a clip, the rest of the timeline automatically shifts to fill the space. It's like trimming and closing the gap in one single move. If you did the same thing with the selection tool, you'd have to drag the clip back manually. So Ripple Edit makes that process automatic and faster. The slip tool. Now let's look at another powerful feature. The slip tool, shortcut Y. This tool lets you adjust the in and out points of a clip without changing its overall length or position in the timeline. It's perfect for fine-tuning moments inside a shot. Here's how it works. Select the slip tool, click on a clip, and drag left or right. You'll see two small preview windows showing the new start and end frames. You're changing which portion of the clip plays while keeping its duration the same. This is much faster than manually going back to the source monitor to reset your in and out points. You can even select multiple clips and apply the slip tool to all of them at once. Just highlight the clips first, then use the tool. The rolling edit tool. The rolling edit tool is related to the ripple tool but works a little differently. You can find it by long pressing on the ripple edit tool icon or use the shortcut N. With this tool, you can adjust the cut point between two clips at the same time. It shortens one clip while extending the next, keeping your overall timeline length the same. It's especially useful when refining the rhythm between two shots. For example, tightening a cut or adjusting timing without creating gaps. The track selection tool, shortcut A. This tool helps you move or select everything on your timeline from a specific point forward. Click anywhere and everything to the right of that clip will be selected. If you hold Shift+A, it switches direction, selecting everything to the left instead. If you only want to affect one track, hold Shift and click that specific track. This is incredibly useful in large projects when you need to move an entire section of your timeline without having to manually select dozens of clips. The Generative Extend tool. Now, let's take a look at one of Premiere Pro's newest and most exciting AI-powered features, the Generative Extend tool. This tool uses Adobe's Firefly AI to seamlessly extend the duration of a clip by creating brand new frames that match your existing footage. It analyzes motion, lighting, and texture from your original shot, then generates additional frames that blend naturally with the scene. To use it, simply select a clip on your timeline, right-click and choose Generative Extend. A small panel will appear where you can choose how many seconds you want to add to the clip. For example, 1 or 2 seconds longer at the start, the end, or both. When you confirm, Premiere processes the extension in the background. After a short render, the new frames appear directly in your timeline as a separate AI-generated segment. You can then preview it, adjust the duration, or regenerate it if you want. It's perfect when you need a clip to last just a little longer for a transition, a voiceover, or a music cue, and it avoids awkward freeze frames or looping. Keep in mind, it works best on shots with consistent motion and lighting, like landscapes, B-roll, or simple camera moves, rather than complex, fast-moving subjects. Still, it's a powerful tool that gives you extra flexibility when editing without the need for reshoots. We covered a lot of tools today. Each of these plays a huge role in speeding up your editing workflow once you start working on real projects. Each of these plays a huge role in speeding up your editing workflow once you start working on real projects. Don't worry if it feels like too much right now. You don't have to memorize every tool immediately. As you keep editing, you'll naturally reach for the ones that fit your style. Over time, you'll find the shortcuts and techniques that make your process faster and smoother. In the next lesson, we'll take these tools into action and start shaping your first real edit. If you're finding this series helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and follow me on social media. It really helps support the work I do and keeps this free course going. See you in the next lesson.